Let me go ahead and kind of share this trade really quick. All right, so let me go ahead and lock in profits actually. Real quick. So I was looking at this area to buy at 44,170. I mean, sell and watch the trade set up. But I noticed my risk was too much in terms of my stop loss. So then instead of taking that particular trade, I went instead to execute that trade from an order block instead. I should have took my profits already. I was trying to set up this stupid camera. But anyhow, I went ahead and set up my entry into the order block instead of the actual gap that I initially wanted to take the trade because I didn't want my drawdown to be as much as it was. This was an expensive trade, so I found out a way to make it a cheaper trade. All right, and that's raising my entry to where I believe that we would reject, and it actually rejected perfectly in that area. And then we started coming down. Now I'm in profits of 750. This computer is acting retarded. Let's see if we're going to go ahead and hit stop loss. If you want more information on trading and this particular trade, get in touch with me. Follow, like, subscribe. And this doggone mouse isn't working. Trying to mess up my trade. I'm going to go ahead and bring, you know what? Let's ride it to TP. Let's see what it does. I should have taken my profits down here. Since we're in, let's let it play out. I believe we're going to go ahead and hit this this low. So let's just watch it play out. We're probably going to come up into right about here before we get a good rejection, maybe. But we're coming down. And that's just how it goes, man. Sometimes, you have to minimize your risk. Now, if I would have taken the trade from my initial entry, I would have been in hella drawdown. And I don't like drawdown. I like to minimize my drawdown. But, I found another entry point and I took it there. And I'm trying to see if I could write it down. If I don't, I set up a trade like this just the other day and it worked out perfectly. So I tried it out again today. And it looks like it's working out great. And let's see if we could go ahead and hit TP. I have a problem of holding on to trades. Well, I'm going to go ahead and lock in some profits just in case. And if it plays out, it plays out. We know we at least got to up about right here, which was 930. That would have been a good take. But I don't want it to pull back all the way up here and then possibly come up and, go through it again. I want to get out the trade. I don't like staying in trades all day. So I'll go ahead and lock in this 500 bucks. Hopefully I don't get stopped out before it looks like you want to push up. We have a 3-bar reversal set up. I know exactly where it's going to go before it turns around. So please don't go. Not yet. Just stay right there. Push down. Looks like we're going to get stopped. And that's cool. Let's just watch it some more. Let's see if we go to. See, I know it was going to get to at least 44,154 before it turns back around. But like I said, I should have took my profits at the bottom, but a win is a win. I'm good. Everything's working slow today. My phone, my computer, starting to piss me off. But anyhow, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. Um, let's see. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video, and I'll most likely put in a screenshot of the end results of this trade if we went ahead and hit TP. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. You guys have a great day. Well, wait. Let's see. It's right where I anticipate the reversal. Okay, no. Well, yeah. Could still do it, but anyway, talk to y'all later. All right, y'all, real quick. This is kind of the follow up on that video. I said I was going to get a screenshot, but it started to happen right in front of me, so I decided to go ahead and record it. This is on that trade that you're watching earlier. Well, same trade. I got out of the trade, but as you can see, we had a 3-bar reversal pattern, and it's now pushing up back to the top side. I should have taken profits down here somewhere once I saw that big rejection. They always say hold on to your profit goals or your profit target or whatever. But that doesn't always work because things reverse. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. If it's taken too long to get to your profit target and starts to go the other way, you have to start considering to lock in some profits, or you're going to end up back. Now, my entry was up here, but I don't like going back to break even or even giving up profits by, cutting it short up here or just getting stopped out from a trade that was almost $1,000. But so be it. It is what it is. Now, it still has the possibility to come back down if this candle closed inside of this box right here. We could possibly push back down, but the way it's looking, I just like to be out of the trade and done. It's one and done win trade, and like I said, a win is a win. Again, like, share, subscribe, and holla at your boys to 10x closing.